Astronomers have discovered two supermassive black holes, or quasars, feeding actively and just 10,000 light-years apart from each other, located within two merging galaxies when the universe was only 3 billion years old. The researchers used several telescopes, including the W.M. Keck Observatory and Gemini North, to find the pair of black holes, dubbed J0749 plus 2255, within two galaxies that merged when the universe was still young. The pair of quasars emitted an enormous amount of light across the electromagnetic spectrum while feasting on heated gas and dust. Multi-wavelength observations were used to confirm that the double quasar was not two images of the same quasar, created by gravitational lensing. The discovery is highly unusual as the system has two active quasars at the same time, and it sheds light on the evolution of galaxies during cosmic noon, a period in the history of the universe when galaxies underwent bursts of furious star formation.